Hello sir. In this program, what I'm going to explain is about sorting. We have two types of sorting: selection sort and the insertion sort. So, firstly, we have created two functions: selection sort, S sort, naming S sort, and insertion sort, naming I sort. In selection sort, what I'm going to do is basically in selection sort, I've used a for loop. That is, the initial way what I'm going to do is first element and the second element I'll be comparing. So I'll be taking first element as I and second element as j. So first element I've used a for loop I is equals to 0, is less than 4 and incremented. I've taken a variable min which is equal to I, and the next for loop where j is I plus 1 and j is less than 5 and j is incremented. So if j is less than the minimum, that is the second element is less than the first element, the minimum is becoming second element because second element is less, obviously. Now I'm going to swap the elements. So initially I've given a temp which is again in integer type. Temp is equals to array of I. So I'm saving this value of array into 10, and array of I is equals to array of min, that is equal to j. That the process here, it is equal to j, and array of min is equals to temp. So here successfully the swap is happening. And coming to insertion sort, what's happening here is int I is equals to 1 and I is less than 5, I plus plus, and v is equals to array of I. So here instead of temp I'm using v, min I'm using v, and j is equals to the back value. So if I is equals to 1, j will be equal to 0. If I is equals to 2, j will be equal to 1. So the while loop we have, if j is greater than or equal to 0, only then the while loop will happen. And another condition is that array of j should be greater than v, that is array of I. So now the condition the while condition is array of j plus 1 is equals to array j, then j is equals to j minus 1. So here what is happening is, if the array of j plus 1 is equals to j, j is equals to j minus 1. So then we are saving the value of array of j plus 1 is equals to v. Then we are doing show. In order to show all the elements, what we are doing is, for I is equals to 0 and I is less than 5, I is incremented every time, and we are displaying all the functions. We have the int main function here. We have selection sort, insertion sort, and then I have two cases, I sort, and second case is S sort. So now I'll just run the program and show. So I'm using selection first, enter the item 1, 2, 7, 8. So the entered items are 1, 2, 7, 9, and 8. The initial items are given in the main function. The initial items are entered items are 1, 2, 7, 8, and 9 and 8. The sorted data is 1, 2, 7, 8, and 9. That is from small to big. So this function is done. And now what I'm going to do is, since I've not given infinite loop, I will run this again. So I'm using insertion sort this time. Right, I'm entering an item 9, 8, 66, 55, 74. So I've entered the items as 9, 8, 66, 55, and 74, and the sorted data is 8, 9, 55, 66, and 74. Again, from small to big. Thus the program is verified.